Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm going to be trying the Readywise cookie dough trail snacks. I bought these at the Outdoor Emporium the other day because I was out buying ammo for some plinking. Video coming. And I've never actually eaten these before. Wow, the container's putting up a fight. No worries. I'm armed. Wow. Some stubborn packaging. I guess in a way that's a good thing because it won't bust open inside your backpack and spill cookie dough bits everywhere. So, all right. So let's see if I can. That's what they look like. They look like little cookie dough bits. Nice and small. Kind of look like cereal. It tastes like cookie dough. Yeah, those are good. Real good. Alright, I paused to chew, so let's see. So there's 2 servings per container. For this whole, if you eat this whole container, which I probably will, 510 calories. 47 grams of sugar, holy crap. So yeah, a little bit of an indulgence. I wouldn't, I don't know if I get that all the time. Carbs is 86 grams of carbohydrates. Whew. That's up there. Like, that's up there a lot. But you know, if you're on the trail, you're gonna be burning it off, so I would definitely put these in my pack so I'm out there cutting firewood or hiking a trail. That tastes good too. Well, alrighty, those are the Readywise trail snack. Really tasty. I don't know if I mentioned, but 3.88 ounces, so really good. I would get these again. The numbers are a little high though, but you know, I guess you'd be working for it. So yeah, I actually got these at a store, but you could probably check Amazon, see if they have the Readywise brand around you, or check your local local store. How much were these? I think they were like, I want to say like $4, $5, $4.99. Damn, I forgot the price. Well, anyway, as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.